Hi everyone, Carolyn Long Yoga here. I wanted to take a few moments to show you how I disinfect and clean my mat. As an oncology trained yoga professional, there's a lot more detailed when trying to maintain a clean environment, working with people with autoimmune or fighting any kind of illness or disease. Also, this is important because I received information today from a friend who's in pharmaceutical sales. And it talks specifically about the virus, this COVID-19. It's not a living organism, but a protein molecule, or DNA, that's covered by a protective layer of lipid, which is fat, which when absorbed by cells of the ocular, the eye, nasal, nose, or bronchi, which is the mouth, changes the genetic code, the mutation, and convert them into aggressor and multiplier cells. So since it's not a living organism, but a protein molecule, it's not killed, but it is decayed on its own. So the disintegration of the virus depends on the temperature, humidity, and type of material where it lies. It's a very fragile virus, and the only thing that protects it is the thin outer layer of fat. That is why any soap and or detergent is the best remedy, because the foam cuts the fat. That's why when you have to rub so much for 20 seconds or more to make that foam. By dissolving the fat layer, the protein molecule disperses and breaks down on its own. So heat melts fat. So I'm going to show you the way I've been using or cleaning my mats, and obviously my studio floor. I've always used a combination of, this is a plant therapy germ-fighting synergy blend, similar to thieves oil, exactly thieves oil, that you find with Young Living. You don't have to use Young Living. You can use, just be mindful that it's a therapeutic grade organic essential oil. I also combine that with the same quality of a pure tea tree oil. I use 8 drops of each. I apply it into the spray bottle, and then I have an alkaline water machine, the Kangen system, and I use their clean water, which takes everything out. If you don't have access to that, distilled water will be fine. So what I do is I combine these with some of this clean water into a spray bottle. And before I spray it, I take my handy dandy, this is called the Shark. I've had this for years, and it's just amazing. And there's different settings on it. I'm going to use the scrub setting. And basically what I'll do is just take the steam and the water and allow it to run through the mat. Obviously it's harder to push. Also note that this is for mats that are not porous. So the mats that I recommend, and I'm not giving them a plug, but I have always, for all my years, used the Manduka. So right now I'm just putting a layer of heat and scrubbing the surface of the mat. And you can see the steam arising. And this in itself is good enough to disinfect any surface without using any kind of chemicals, because again, I can't use chemicals. I'm going to take this off now and set it aside. And I've already cleaned the floor. If I didn't, I wouldn't have drugged back there. Now I'm going to take my mixture, and this kind of a spray bottle, if you notice, it's more like a perfume type, meaning that it's more of a mist. It doesn't leave a trail, and I like this lighter droplets because I can easily cover the entire surface of the mat. What I will do now is I'll just let that sit on for about 30 seconds, maybe even a minute. Actually, you know what? I'll let it go like another minute or so. Then I will go back over it with the steam. Let it air dry. I hope this helps. Stay safe. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm going to be moving forward with all my offerings there. Namaste.